One of the worst things you can do as a Latin dancer is to be boring. So how do you not be boring? Channel your beast mode. Create the passion and the energy, because when you have emotion, when you dance, your technique all of a sudden becomes better. You have more go, you have more speed, and most importantly, you're able to then get other people to feel what you're saying. Beast mode is how you tap into using your energy, your emotions to make your body move in a different way. Just like an animal, we talk about Latin dancing, being passionate. What is being passionate? It's like moving with danger, moving with sexuality, moving with power. It is not moving passively. So channel your inner beast mode. That's what we do inside Hips and Heels.